What's going on, guys? I'm here today to replace the start button. As you can see, it's worn out, the holes busted out, and some of these are far more of a simple fix than most people think and far less expensive. Here's an actual Range Rover part, and I think it was just about 40 or 50 bucks for this part. Obviously we got this online, most likely eBay. You can see part is exactly the same. Today is one simple tool, but we will go ahead and use this behind it just to make sure, because the leather pop out there, go to the top, pop out, little twist there, should just come out. Set my tools down nicely here, comes out just like that. Grab the other one, pluck it in, pop it in just like that. Oops. Had to have the foot on the brake. There you go. You've replaced your 2012 full-size Range Rover start button. Thanks for watching.